Here I've got SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and let me show you how to activate installation apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick security. Then you have to go down one more time, and once you see unknown sources, now it's active, you have to tap on this switcher to activate it. You just have to be aware that if there will be any issues caused by those applications, Carrier will not take any responsibility for that. It will be all on you. So if you truly want to activate them, click on OK. And from now on, you are able to install apps from sources other than your Play Store. And that's basically all. This is how you can allow installation from apps on unknown sources. Then you can switch it off the same way. And now you'll be able to install applications from Play Store only. And that's basically all. This is how you can use it, how you can activate this feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.